Hey everyone, in this video, we're diving into some unforgettable stories about train accidents. From the unstoppable power of trains to the lucky moments that saved lives. This video is meant to educate and doesn't promote any kind of violence. Remember to always drive carefully to keep yourself and others safe. If you ever find yourself in this situation, just break through the gate. It's way cheaper to fix than your car. Unreal. The driver walked away without a scratch. Remember, a train going 80 miles per hour can't stop on a dime like a car. That's nothing short of a miracle. I'm pretty impressed by the guy who jumped from the train onto the wall. Lucky there wasn't a train passing on the next track at that moment. Never cross the tracks when a train is coming or even in sight. What do you think the truck driver's punishment will be? You'll never beat the power of a train, so don't risk your life on a game you can't win.
I gotta get out of here. Yeah. Oh shit.
Pay extra attention at intersections.
PM.
Never pass on the right. Make sure it's safe first, then go for it when it's clear. Safe drivers always play it smart.
Yep.
This is why you don't run red lights. Turning right from the right lane is helpful. And remember, your turn signal is to let others know what you're about to do, not a last-second heads up. Instead of letting anger take over, try staying positive and finding a better way to connect with others. First off, big thanks to the person who filmed this. Most people wouldn't be able to keep the camera that steady. It seemed like he was about to disappear from the world in an instant, but it was God who saved him. His recklessness sometimes comes at the cost of his own life. Don't act like him. No matter the reason, it's unacceptable for the girl to recklessly cross the train tracks. Your guardian angel isn't always there to protect you. I could only breathe a sigh of relief when I saw the worker get up safely. Please stay away from the tracks. It's really a dangerous place. Hurrying sometimes costs us our lives. Don't trade a moment of speed for a lifetime of regret. When the accident happened, the gates were open, but the bells and flashing lights warning of an approaching train weren't working, so drivers didn't get the warning. Pay attention to the lights and warning bells at train crossings. Being careless risks your life. Heroes are everywhere. Thank you for stepping up and saving those in need. Real-life heroes with hearts of gold. She totally deserves a big round of applause. What do you think about this? Never try to beat or go up against a train. It's a fight you're guaranteed to lose.
Look at the
Don't park here unless you want your car turned into scrap metal. I believe we need training classes to teach people how to handle railroad crossings safely. Safety starts with knowledge. So relieved no one got hurt. Gear can be fixed, but lives can't. You've caused a mess and slowed everything down, the big manager said, clearly annoyed. The train triggered a switch split, not exactly uncommon. The cyclist reacted super smart and fast, quickly backing up and getting out of the way.
So this was the first example that you found industry that was working to try to distort the perceptions of reality so that they continue what they're doing.
You know, they did a lot of other things that they've, you know, I mentioned the reference to the so talked about how would you like it?
Bruh, dude.
What's he doing? Ignoring the train horn and risking it across the tracks? One small mistake, and the car owner paid a heavy price. Let this be a reminder. Never park near train tracks. I don't get why they did that but never do it. It's just plain wrong.
Oh my god, it's gonna hit it. Oh my god.
A passenger car tried to beat the train and got slammed off the tracks. Let this be a lesson. Never risk your life over impatience. Safety always comes first. After this, he's probably thinking taxis are only for the brave. A ladder flies off and crashes into a car's windshield on a Las Vegas highway. A black sedan driving at high speed tried to pass two cars ahead, creating a dangerous situation on the Los Angeles freeway. Why do people always do this? If you miss your exit, just go to the next one.
Oh fuck, watch out, watch out.
Oh my god, oh my
Just
god.
pull over. Pull over, watch out.
Oh my fucking god.
Holy
oh my
shit.
god.
helicopter had an accident and had to make an emergency landing in the middle of the city, damaging a few cars with its blades. Who do you think should be held responsible for this? I'm not sure if the car will still be in one piece by the time it gets there. The frustration boiled over just because the driver wouldn't stop honking, and it made him lose control. A big tree suddenly fell by the road, but thankfully, everyone's safe. Always stay aware of your surroundings.
What the f are you doing? You f***ing asshole. F***ing asshole. Oh my God.
Everyday heroes deserve a big round of applause. Speeding into the curb is what caused him to flip over. For me, no matter the situation, you've got to stay calm. Never park too close to the train tracks. Oh my God, that was intense. She didn't check her blind spot. Once again, we've got to remind you to pay attention to your vehicle's height. After the first apology, the guy on the motorcycle went right back to messing up again. His performance was absolutely amazing. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new uploads. We'll keep bringing you more awesome and high-quality content.